Hey guys, welcome to the fall of 2022 coffee and tea station set up just for you, a little rustic and a little chinoiserie
Hey guys,
chic.
welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you into my home once again. Now guys, you know how I always say, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink? Well, guess what? Today is not any different. But today is extra special because it's all about styling out your coffee or tea station for the fall. Yes, fall 2022 is upon us and it is time for us to get these stations right. Now, you know how I always say that I am your host here, Gigi Faison? Well, guess what? I am one of the hosts for this collaboration. Myself, along with my beautiful sister, Designs by Josephine and Josee. Let me get that right. Y'all know when I have my coffee, I am all hyped. So I want you guys to go ahead and do the same thing because there will be a playlist link, or maybe not a playlist link, maybe the hashtag. If you see that hashtag, I want you to click on that, and then that will take you to the other creators that will be participating in this collaboration. Now, all rules for this collaboration was very, very simple. We just wanted you to include, or we wanted the creators to include blue and white with traditional fall colors. Or you could have traditional fall colors and just kick in a few pieces of blue and white. So guys, I am going to go ahead and style out my station. But before I do, I welcome you all here. I thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, let me say I welcome you here. If you want to be a part of this family, let me just say, if you want to be a part of this family, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming videos that will be at this channel here. Now guys, I do love creating beautiful tablescapes. I love home decor. I love styling out my coffee and tea station. I love all things beautiful about the home, but today is all about this coffee station. So let me stop talking so you guys can get to see what I come up with. I don't even know what I'm coming up with, but you guys, I see what I'm gonna do. I've already started out here, so I'm going to go ahead and work with my bottom section of my station. And I welcome you guys, so continue to watch. So today, guys, I'm going to start with this tiered stand here, and I've had it for quite some times. I think I purchased it either last year or the year before. So I'm going to start with my stand here. I've got my magnolia leaves here. I've created somewhat of a swag, and I've added in a few pumpkins. So now I have to figure out what I'm going to do to the rest of my station. So stay tuned.
So guys, while I am still making preparation for my station here, let me tell you a little something about my partner today, my hosting friend, as we put upon this collaboration all about the coffee and tea station. Designs by Josephine and Josee, home decor, and much more. You will find over at her channel, beautiful home decor, tablescapes, gardening, cooking, and even sharing some beauty tips. So I will leave her channel link in my description box below. So please make sure you go over and visit and let her know that you were sent via Gigi Faison. All right, guys, continue watching as I continue to create.
Okay, guys, we have completed our coffee station for fall 2022, and I have incorporated my blue and white and brought along a little bit of the traditional fall colors. So you will see I've got a few of the beautiful velvet pumpkins here. We've got the velvet called tangerine, I guess. And then we have the rust in the velvet. These are the beautiful pumpkins, and these came as a set. Here's one white one, and I think I purchased these from Joann's. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you my display of my coffee station. So let me just pause for a second and give you a total view of the front. But as you see, I've used my tiered tray here, or not tiered tray, but tiered stand to add my creamers, my spiced apple cider. We've got some marshmallows, and then a few little fingers that will be great with your tea or your coffee. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you what it all looks like once I've gotten it all together.
So, guys, the more that I looked at the station in which the way that I had it styled, I really wasn't vibing with it. So, I pulled out my eucalyptus garland. I am going to create more of a pumpkin patch for my station here. And so it's going to be quick. I'm just going to restyle it. I have an idea as to how I want it to look. So this is me working at it again. Sometimes you create a space, and no matter how hard you look at it, it just doesn't give you what you're needing or what you're desiring. So I am going to restyle, and then I will share with you guys in my reveal. So here, guys, you see I have styled out my stand. I have my creamer, I have my marshmallows, I have my little fingers that are great with your coffee or your tea. And this is our sign, and it clearly states that you may find here at the bar coffee, hot apple cider, tea, or even some chocolate. So I will be servicing at this station some good old coffee. I have some hot apple cider, and I will have you some tea. So you may create whatever it is that you choose to. This is where my apple cider is in that little canister there. We have some little fingers for you to partake with your tea or your coffee. They are great with either. And then I have my syrup. We cannot have a fall coffee bar without having that good old, good pumpkin spice syrup and the caramel. So, guys, this is my station. Let me know what you think by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Again, I am your host here, Gigi Faison. You're always welcome to my home. Don't forget to check out my partner of host, which is Josephine Designs by Josephine and Josee Home Decor and more. And click on that playlist link or click on the hashtag to find the other creators. Be blessed, you guys. Continue to watch and enjoy the music.